In this video, I will show you how to copy content from Deepseek AI to Word or Google Docs. Let's get started. I will begin by typing out my prompt in the Deepseek chat box. I write, "Act as my teacher and teach me anything that I can take down notes," and press enter. Deepseek quickly generates a detailed response, starting with an introduction, followed by the first section on the big idea, explaining cognitive bias. Below that, it formats a neat table outlining the big 5 biases, then goes into the master strategy to defeat all biases with a pre-mortem exercise. It also outlines homework, and finally, a closing thought. Once the generation is done, I will highlight the first section under the big idea. I left-click and drag my cursor from the beginning of the section down to select all the paragraphs in this part. Next, I right-click the highlighted text and select Copy. Now, I will open a new Google Docs tab. I click the cursor on the blank page, right-click, and select Paste without formatting. Since it asks to enable copy-paste options, I will just press Ctrl+V on my keyboard instead. Back in my Google Doc, I see that the copied text is pasted. Now I want to clean it up slightly. I delete the words, "Write this down," from the header 1. With the first section done, I will switch back to the Deepseek tab. I scroll down past the table to the third section titled, "The Master Strategy to Defeat All Biases." I highlight the main bullet points under Institute A, Pre-Mortem, by left-clicking and dragging down to the end of the paragraph. I right-click the selected text, click Copy, and then switch back to my Google Doc. I place my cursor below the first section, right-click, and select Paste without formatting to bring over the text. To grab the final piece of content, I return to Deepseek once more. I scroll further down to the Closing Thought section. I select the quote in this block, right-click, and copy it. Back in Google Docs, I paste this final section below the others. And that is how you copy and organize your content from Deepseek to Google Docs. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.